In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Xbox Series X or S, like mine, is having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network or your internet network. I'll show you a few different solutions and you can try them one by one and hopefully one of them will work for you. So let's start with the easiest one. The first thing that you need to do is to go into the settings of your Xbox. To have access to your settings, simply press the Xbox logo on your controller. Go all the way to the right side, go down, settings, and from here you're going to select network settings and then select test network speed and statistics. This will take just a few seconds, okay, and sometimes even a minute. It will simply tell you the status of your internet connection. So this way you can start by knowing what's happening. Okay, so now it's done, and the most important thing that you need to check here is wireless strength. Mine is 96% because I'm quite close from my wireless router. If yours is under 50 or even 50, it's quite low, I think. Your problem is simply that your Xbox is too far away from the router and the signal is not strong enough. So bring both together and your problem will be solved. Now, if your problem is not about the strength of your connection, what you can try is to turn off your Xbox by pressing this Xbox logo during about 6 seconds until the light is completely shut down. Okay, release it. Now remove the power cable on the back of your Xbox. Disconnect it this way. And now press during 30 seconds on this Xbox logo. After 30 seconds, release the button. Wait 5 minutes and then plug it back in the back, turn your Xbox back on, and this may solve your problem. This is just a soft reset. Nothing will get deleted by doing this. If this didn't work, maybe your problem is your actual internet router. And what you can try again easily, it's to do the same thing as we just did with your Xbox. Unplug it from the wall socket. Wait 5 minutes and then plug it back. Sometimes this can fix very annoying problems. Also, try connecting your router directly to the Xbox using an Ethernet cable. See, that goes on the back over here. This way you'll know if it's the actual Wi-Fi, the problem you're having. Now, the third and last solution I'll show you right now, it's to go into the settings again of your Xbox, then go into network settings again, then go down where it says advanced settings, then go where it says DNS settings, select manual, and here you're gonna have to type some codes. What I suggest is that you type 8 on the first rectangle, then select the next rectangle, 8, the other one select 4, and then 4. Then press this button on your controller, and for the next rectangles, type 8, go to the next one, 8, 8, 8, and then press again this button on your controller. Now wait about a minute and this should solve your Wi-Fi problem. Now I'll give you another code that you can enter if the first one didn't work. So press again here, go manual, delete that and type 1, 1, 1, 1, then press again this button. And for the secondary IP for DNS, type 1, 0, 0, and 1. And then confirm. And after doing this, again, wait just 1 minute at least, and this should solve your problem. So I hope my tutorial was helpful. If you have another trick on how to fix your Wi-Fi problems with your Xbox, please write in the comments down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find out a new solution. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.